Read code 876, middle of the linked list. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given a non-empty singly linked list with head node head, return a middle node of linked list. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle ones. In this case, I'm gonna use learner and work technique. So the basic concept is this: when worker pointing 1 is 1, learner pointing 1 2, and then worker learning 1 and learner is 1 2. Each means worker speed is 1, learner speed is double. So when learner is arrived to the end, the position is worker is exactly the middle of the list, because worker speed is learner speed is double of worker. Does it make sense? So in this time, this is worker, this is learner. When learner moved one time here, learner moved here, and the worker moved here, learner moved here, and worker learner next is null, it will stop. At that time, position of worker is middle, so I will get it. The next, this one, worker learner, worker learner, worker learner, and finish. At this time we needed 4. Let's implement it. First, there are 2 pointer, worker pointing head, learner pointing head, and why learner next. It is next. Did you remember that? When you finish, learner is here, worker is here. So at this point we need to return worker, and worker working 1, and learner is next. It is correct? No. Sometime at the finish line it has only one item. At this time, even learner must go in only one step. So this one, and then checking if learner has next. Learner moved next, and then return work. Okay, looks good. In this time, there are 1 iteration, and time complexity is big O, half n, but half is no meaning, so big O n, linear time with constant space, because there are no extra data structure in here. Thank you.